Alright, so POCO X3 Pro users, finally some good news for people whose devices have been hard bricked, or even if they have not hard bricked yet, because we have some update from Team India POCO and it's going to be relatively good. We'll talk about this issue or this update in this particular video. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so this is not going to be a long video, but real quick we'll do a quick recap of what exactly happened and why are we exactly talking about this. Now POCO X3 Pro is a device which was launched in 2020-21, right? And it was launched between 18 to 20,000 rupees and it came with a Snapdragon 860. Now after about 6 to 8 months, units started dying randomly. Back then, we were informed that MIR 12.5 is the culprit, and later it was revealed that it is a hardware issue, right? It is a PMIC issue, power management IC. Reballing needs to be done and stuff. And after a lot of yes and no, Team POCO acknowledged that, and they started giving out replacements or Redmi Note 10 Pro. Yeah, I mean, come on. POCO X3 Pro, Redmi Note 10 Pro, not really happening because that phone simply cannot game. Anyway, so a lot of users did go for the Redmi Note 10 Pro. We have our own Note 10 Pro over here as well. So now what is the update? For people like me, especially, my warranty expired in April because I bought this device on launch day itself. And now I live in a constant fear that if I play games on it, if I, do overclocking, custom ROM, and I put a lot of heat on the processor or a lot of pressure, probably the device will brick and I'll have to shell out minimum 4,000 rupees. Even after that, there is no guarantee that the same thing will not happen again. So Team India POCO have done a good thing, somewhat good. This is by Himanshu Tandon on Twitter. He has posted this and I will leave the link of this tweet on the description of this video. Now, the POCO F4 5G is launching today. That is none of my concern. It is going to have 2 years warranty. Good for people who buy it. But more importantly, he has mentioned here few of the POCO X3 Pro users, right, have reached out to him that they have issues and concerns about this device. And he has extended the warranty by 6 months. So no matter where you're at least if you're in India, if you have a POCO X3 Pro, your POCO X3 Pro will have additional 6 months warranty. What that means is if your warranty expired on 30th of April, 180 days from that, you will have extended warranty. And if within that period, if your device dies or breaks or anything happens, you will be eligible for a warranty repair. Now, there are underlying issues that we need to talk about. Issues like if you take the device to the service center, they will tell you that your device has a scratch which is more than 1 mm and that's the reason it will go in physical damage and warranty cannot be claimed. Now, I myself, I cannot tell you much about that because there are more than 1,000 service centers of Xiaomi in India and everybody is doing what they feel like. There is no standard protocol. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this is because look at my device. This has always been in a case. Very rarely has it been used without a case. So let me just show you the back of this phone. You will understand what exactly I'm trying to make out. Now, you see all of this. The phone has never been dropped. This is poor paint quality. This is called paint chipping. If they see that there is something like this as well, they will reject your warranty. And I really don't know any way around it. So technically what needs to be done is POCO India needs to, tell their service center guys that you need to stop doing this if a device is having internal issues. And if a phone has never been opened, you need to straightforward go ahead and give them, a fix or a repair or a replacement, whatever the protocol is. But yes, this is definitely some sigh of relief for POCO users, POCO X3 Pro users especially. You have 6 months of extra warranty and this is a gaming device. Your battery health tends to take a hit or things like those. So if you have any major issues apart from breaking as well, like your earpiece is not working, your camera is not working, you can still claim that in your standard extended 6 months warranty. This warranty is not only for brick devices, you can claim other warranty parts as well. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this decision made by POCO India. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.